Here's a shocking truth. Most SUV owners spend over $1,200 yearly on unexpected repairs. But what if I told you there are 7 SUVs that laugh in the face of repair bills? These machines are so bulletproof, they'll run for 200,000 miles while barely touching your wallet. Today, I'm revealing the exact models that mechanics wish you'd never discover. Let's dive in. Number 7, Hyundai Tucson. Starting our countdown at number 7 brings us the Hyundai Tucson, the compact SUV that rewrote the rules on affordable reliability. Starting around $28,000 and topping out near $39,000, the Tucson proves that dependable doesn't have to mean expensive or boring. The Tucson's secret weapon isn't just build quality, it's the industry's most generous warranty coverage. We're talking 10 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain protection that puts competitors to shame. This warranty isn't just marketing fluff, it represents Hyundai's confidence in their engineering. But warranties mean nothing if you're constantly using them. Fortunately, the Tucson rarely needs major repairs. JD Power dependability studies consistently rank it among the best, while Consumer Reports gives it strong marks for predicted reliability. The naturally aspirated and hybrid powertrains are designed for simplicity, which translates to fewer things that can go wrong. RepairPal data shows annual maintenance costs hovering around $460, well below the compact SUV average. This isn't accidental. Hyundai engineered the Tucson to avoid common high-mileage problems that plague other brands. Oil leaks, transmission issues, and electronic failures are notably rare in newer models. What really sets the Tucson apart is Hyundai's commitment to building vehicles that age gracefully. Instead of cutting corners to hit price points, they invested in components and systems designed for the long haul. The result is an SUV that delivers worry-free ownership without the premium price tag that usually comes with such reliability. Number 6, Toyota Highlander. At number 6 sits the Toyota Highlander, the midsize SUV that's become the gold standard for family reliability. Priced from $39,000 to nearly $50,000, the Highlander represents everything Toyota does right when building vehicles for the long haul. Many owners easily push these SUVs beyond 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes, brake jobs, and fluid checks. This isn't lucky ownership, it's deliberate engineering that prioritizes longevity over flashy features. RepairPal confirms this with annual repair costs averaging just $520, significantly below the 3-row SUV segment average. What separates the Highlander from competitors is Toyota's relentless focus on mechanical simplicity and proven components. Parts are designed to last, and failures are rare even as vehicles accumulate serious mileage. This philosophy creates SUVs that treat high-mileage operation like their natural habitat. Toyota's nationwide dealer network ensures affordable access to repairs and quick service availability anywhere in America. No more worrying about finding qualified service during road trips or paying inflated prices in unfamiliar cities. Your investment comes protected by standard 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty plus 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage. But here's what really matters. Real-world Highlander ownership proves these warranties are often unnecessary. Owners regularly report trouble-free operation well beyond these coverage periods, making the Highlander a smart choice for families planning long-term ownership. For daily drivers who refuse to worry about surprise repair bills 5 or 10 years down the road, the Toyota Highlander remains the benchmark for durability and maintenance simplicity. Number 5, Toyota Corolla Cross. Moving up to number 5, we have the Toyota Corolla Cross, the compact SUV that refuses to quit. This little warrior starts at just $23,000 and maxes out around $30,000 when fully equipped. What makes this SUV special isn't flashy features or mind-blowing power. It's pure, old-fashioned reliability that your grandfather would approve of. Here's where things get interesting. While other compact SUVs drain your bank account with constant repairs, the Corolla Cross keeps maintenance costs at a measly $450 per year. That's according to RepairPal data, and it's way below what most competitors demand from your wallet. But here's the real kicker. Owners routinely push these SUVs past the 200,000 mile mark without breaking a sweat. We're talking about vehicles that treat high mileage like a warm-up lap. Consumer Reports and JD Power consistently rank this SUV in their top reliability charts, which isn't surprising given Toyota's track record. The secret sauce: Toyota's massive dealer network across America means finding parts and service never becomes a treasure hunt. Plus, you're covered by a solid 3-year 36,000 mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Whether you're commuting daily or planning to keep this SUV until it becomes a family heirloom, the Corolla Cross delivers worry-free ownership that lets you sleep soundly at night. Number 4. Acura MDX. Number 4 brings us the Acura MDX, the mid-size luxury SUV that delivers German performance with Japanese reliability. Starting around $50,000 and reaching $65,000 for higher trims, the MDX offers dependability that often embarrasses more expensive European competitors. Built by Honda's luxury division, the MDX inherits decades of engineering wisdom focused on vehicles that last. RepairPal estimates annual repair costs at roughly $580, which is exceptional value given the MDX's size, features, and luxury positioning. This isn't just affordable, it's downright cheap compared to German rivals. Owners consistently report long-term satisfaction with minimal issues affecting major components. The engine, transmission, and suspension systems are designed with mechanical simplicity that prioritizes reliability over complexity. This approach makes the MDX significantly cheaper and easier to repair than over-engineered European alternatives. The MDX benefits from Honda's extensive US dealership network, ensuring replacement parts and qualified service remain readily available nationwide without premium labor rates. This accessibility translates to lower ownership costs and shorter wait times when service is needed. Your purchase includes comprehensive protection, 4 years or 50,000 miles basic warranty, plus 6 years or 70,000 miles powertrain coverage. But the real value emerges after these warranties expire. The MDX continues delivering reliable service well beyond these mileage markers. For luxury SUV buyers who want premium features without the fear of wallet-draining repairs, the Acura MDX stands as one of the most trusted choices available today. Number 3. Subaru Forester. At number 3, we find the Subaru Forester, the practical compact SUV that's become America's favorite all-weather companion. Priced from $28,000 to approximately $38,000, the Forester delivers rock-solid dependability at a price point that makes ownership incredibly manageable. These SUVs routinely push past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, which isn't an accident. It's mechanical simplicity done right. RepairPal puts annual maintenance costs at approximately $520, well within budget-friendly territory for this capable segment. The Forester's reliability stems from its straightforward approach to engineering. Base models avoid overcomplicated electronics or turbocharged systems that can fail over time. Instead, Subaru focuses on time-tested components that prioritize longevity over impressive specification sheets. Subaru's widespread service network across America helps owners avoid long wait times or inflated service bills. Finding qualified technicians and genuine parts never becomes a challenge, which keeps ownership costs predictable and reasonable throughout the vehicle's life. Standard warranty coverage includes 3 years or 36,000 miles basic protection, plus 5 years or 60,000 miles powertrain coverage. However, most Forester owners find they rarely need major warranty work because these SUVs are engineered to avoid common failure points. What really sets the Forester apart is its all-weather capability combined with exceptional reliability. Standard all-wheel drive means confidence in harsh conditions, while proven mechanical systems ensure this capability doesn't come with maintenance headaches. For buyers wanting a reliable, all-weather ready SUV that won't create problems 5 or 10 years down the line, the Subaru Forester represents one of the safest bets available today. Number 2, Mazda CX-5. At number 2 sits the Mazda CX-5, the compact SUV that proves style and reliability can coexist beautifully. Starting around $29,000 and topping out near $40,000, the CX-5 offers premium build quality and longevity that makes long-term ownership genuinely enjoyable. Under that attractive exterior lies Mazda's Skyactiv engine technology, either a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder or turbocharged variant that's famous for running smoothly past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. These engines are designed for durability, not just performance numbers. RepairPal estimates yearly maintenance costs at just under $500, which is impressive for a vehicle offering this level of refinement and comfort. The CX-5 consistently earns high reliability marks from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, setting it apart from competitors that prioritize features over dependability. What makes the CX-5 special is what it doesn't suffer from. Transmission issues, excessive oil consumption, or problematic electronics are notably rare. While other compact SUVs develop expensive problems as they age, the CX-5 continues performing like a much newer vehicle. Mazda backs your purchase with standard 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, which aligns with industry standards. However, CX-5 owners rarely need extensive warranty work because these SUVs are built right from the start. The growing Mazda service network means finding qualified technicians and genuine parts becomes easier each year. For buyers seeking an SUV that looks and feels upscale while performing like a long-distance champion, the CX-5 delivers on all fronts without compromise. Number 1, Honda CR-V. And finally, at number 1, we have the Honda CR-V, America's compact SUV reliability champion that continues earning this title year after year, starting around $31,000 and climbing to just under $42,000 for hybrid and top-end trims. The CR-V delivers long-term value that few vehicles can match. Owners frequently report surpassing 200,000 miles with routine upkeep and minimal issues, which isn't surprising given Honda's reputation for engineering simplicity and durability. RepairPal confirms this with annual maintenance costs averaging just $410, one of the lowest figures among compact SUVs sold in America. Honda's engineering philosophy shines through in the CR-V's drivetrain and core mechanical systems. Common problems like transmission failures or premature engine wear are extremely rare, which explains why Consumer Reports and J.D. Power regularly rank the CR-V at the top for reliability. The CR-V also holds one of the strongest resale values in its category, proving that buyers recognize and pay premium prices for proven dependability. This strong resale value makes the CR-V an excellent financial choice for both short-term and long-term ownership scenarios. Honda's extensive dealer and service network across America makes finding affordable parts and trustworthy service incredibly easy. No matter where you live or travel, qualified Honda service is readily available without premium pricing or lengthy wait times. Standard warranty coverage includes 3 years or 36,000 miles basic protection, plus 5 years or 60,000 miles powertrain coverage. However, many CR-V owners go well beyond these numbers without needing major repairs, making these warranties more safety nets than necessities. For buyers seeking an SUV that delivers long-term dependability, low running costs, and proven reliability year after year, the Honda CR-V represents one of the safest and smartest choices available. There you have it, 7 SUVs that laugh at repair bills and keep running when others quit. From the budget-friendly Corolla Cross to the bulletproof RAV4, these vehicles prove that reliable transportation doesn't have to be boring or expensive to maintain. Remember, the best SUV is the one you never have to worry about. Choose wisely, maintain consistently, and enjoy years of worry-free driving. Which of these reliable champions will earn a spot in your driveway? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automotive insights that save you money and headaches. See you in the next video.